are you? I hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Last time we have done the unboxing of the piggy bank of Doraemon. Now we will do the unboxing of bowling machine that surprisingly I have told you. So let's start without any waste of time. And we will do the test of the bowling machine in next video. Now we are doing only the unboxing. How does it work? We will do in next video. Only I will show you the features and have a look of unboxing. You can buy this online also. Wow, looking nice. Oh my god, it is so heavy. Now see. Cut. Wow, that is the bowling machine. Covers of bowling machine. So you can see to hold the ball and I think this is plastic ball, plastic or golf. Plastic balls are there to fit. We have to fit that all holders. 6 piece of ball. One you can see. And last. So like that, this is the tire and this is the front and this is the tire. You can see. This is the wheel, you can say, not tire, wheel. This is the pamphlet pitching machine, and here are the features. How to assemble. You can see here. You can read this. This is the light. Red light appears when the ball. You can see. This is contents and all.
Battery you have to install first.
Battery.
I don't have battery.
Yeah, we have to install first a battery. Now we don't have, but
Open this. Open the screws.
Oh.
And then install the battery. Made in China. And on top, so one by one.
I think leather ball will come.
Yes.
This is the size of leather ball only.
Shoot here. Yeah. This will come first.
Yeah, we have to put like that. We have to structure first. This is quite difficult to fit. The instruction are given here, so we will fit afterwards. So guys, if you subscribed my channel, thank you so much, but you have not, so please subscribe. And if you like that video, so please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I am recommending you to visit a channel. The link is in the description box. I will give I don't actually the channel name was Atharv Dubey, but now it is another name, so you can see the full. I will give the full information and link in the description box. The channel. So
Bye.
it's good enough for today. We will meet you next time. So bye.